And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here, and we're in the computer room. And these are the parts we're going to be working on today. In my powered, slow speed, reversible power feed project for my Shearline lathe, I shot a video called Switches and Solder. Oh my. Well, this for my threading project is switches, wires, and solders over here. Oh my, redux. Now, as you see, I've got two double pole single throw switches here. After wires, switches, and solder, oh my, Joseph Duda asked a question, could I have used a different type of switch? I could have used a double pole, double throw. It would have another set of connections here, and any way you threw it is going to make a connection from the middle. I decided not to go with that because if I'm going from where I want to be and I want to go to stop, I don't want to go past it and cause crashes and broken tooling. Okay, now as you see, I've marked both these switches with white marker to show where our white wires, to show polarity here. And what I'm going to want to do is go like so. And like so. I'm going to change my glasses. These are my computer glasses. Let me put on the see the real world glasses. Whoa! Hey, it's like waking up even. And I tighten these like so. This one goes on here. Now, out of the other end of the switches. Bring the wires like so. And I connect it in, right? Okay. For a minute I thought I lost a pigtail. But no, I didn't lost a pigtail. I put it in place. Okay, now you see I've got these two switches, and each got two double polarity pigtails coming out of them. Okay, now next, what I need to do is take one of these, I need to bring these wires together. Okay, and now I come in here with this wire. There. Now I twist these together. That looks good and hot and clean. Okay, now see how quick that goes? A simple little solder joint. Yeah. Now I come over here, and these two wires, pigtails, they get connected like so, and so, and now this wire comes into play. You go here and here. Don't you fall on the floor. I'm in the middle of working on you. Now, you may be asking why I connected the pigtails to these switches before I soldered the wires, right? Well, after I insulate these solder joints, let me get some heat shrinky out here. Yeah, here's the one. Ooh.
Wow, your fingers.
Look right in. Okay. Heat shrink. We heat shrink here. We heat shrink there. Holy shades of Scarlet Pimpernel, Batman! You seek him here, they seek him there, they seek him everywhere. The Scarlet Pimpernel.
This is the one thing I can't lay down.
Okay. And now, okay, now, you see, those have been soldered together and insulated. I can turn these like so. They get a little closer, that's why this piece of plastic. Now, excuse me a moment while I plug in the hot glue gun and then go and remind my wife that I'm recording. Christy, I'm recording. Please watch the noise, the things you say. Anyway, okay. Hot glue gun going to get hot in a couple of minutes. And then this is going to go in here as an insulating divider. Keep them connections from touching. See how to prevent the connections from touching. It's good plastic. High grade, capital one. High grade capital one plastic. Yeah. Today is Friday. It's the 8th, Friday the 8th of January, 2021. I haven't posted in a week or two because, frankly, I've been feeling like fertilizer. Well, that's what, when they sell it, they call it fertilizer, but, I've been feeling bad. Cold, weak, everything hurts, The usual wintertime malady. Monday, I placed an order with Shearline. And I called and I talked to the lady, and she said be going out and all that. Right? Yesterday, my order from Shearline arrived, and one of the items was wrong. I ordered the rotating base for vise, and they sent me the angled plate you can mount the rotary table on. Now, the important things for me were that I had my merch that I wanted. Anyway, so I called this morning and talked with Kat at Shearline. I told her what happened. She said, "Oh, hey, we'll send you out the one you want and a label for sending back the one that was sent to you by mistake. It's going out today." I figure Monday or Tuesday it'll be in the mailbox. And I'll put the big box with the littler box in the mailbox with the shipping label attached. There you see, I have heat shrunken on here. There, heat shrunk. And we have hot glue. Anyways, I was saying I hadn't posted in a little bit because I've been feeling politely stated like fertilizer. You know what fertilizer is made out of. So I got told you cold, weak, achy, you know. Okay, so there are my switches. I have to insulate around them. Oh yeah, it's in here. Okay, I was back. Ah. There we go. Taped up and installated. Installated? Insulated. Yeah, that's the word. Insulated. Okay, now, where are you? I just had you here a minute ago. Ah, here it is. Okay, now, you see here, this is one end of a shear line 11-foot extension cord for their micro make. Or micro, anyway, their 12-volt power tools. Anyway, after the fun I had with the mini banana plugs I bought for the last project, not fitting right, having to adjust them. No, you don't. I am not accustomed to web pages just opening up because you want to. No, that's not allowed. Where did I put that? Hey gang, I'm back. Had a little camera drop off here while I was explaining why I bought the 11-foot shear line extension cord for the power tools. Well, the mini banana plugs I ordered for the last time I was doing this for the other project, they were crap. I wish I'd paid the $11 for one of these up front. I learned that lesson this time around. I spent the $11. Ouch! Can you say a little bit warm, Batman? No. No. Come on, you. I temporarily tape these so I don't shock myself. They'll get better. They'll get done better later. Hey now, unplug the soldering station for right now and set it aside. Shear line power supply. Here it is. Ugh. This here is the motor. Ah! No, that ain't gonna work on this one. Now this is that high temperature heating element. You know, wire that goes between a heating element and a thermostat. It's not going to be permanent here. There. It is simply here for expedience. It will get replaced. And what I'm going to do right now, put this one in. Now, let's try this again. Okay. I throw either switch and it rotates. Ah. Hmm. Hey. How to verify what direction it's going? Wait a minute. I think I may have disconnected here. All my hard work, gotta tear it out. Hey, now, yeah, I done misconnected to this. I forgot. I have to reverse polarity on 2 of these leads going to the motor. Ah, son of a bitch. Ah, ah, stay there, you. Ah, where'd that wire go? And I get to split these apart too. Isn't that sweet? It's the importance of not forgetting small things like polarity. Mm. Okay. Ah. I'm gonna stop this. Hey gang, I'm back. And I redid my mess up. It works. You have to trust me that the motor's going 2 different directions. Notice that? You want to go this way, then you want to go that way. It's because of the 2 switches. It works! So, I'm going to shut down, stop recording, and I'm going to go watch Gold Rush with my old lady. Good night in California.